You probably noticed that Alta Ipsum provides a recommended grade for your assignments. This number is calculated based on your current average and your goal for the class. Alta Ipsum will track the grades you record, giving you a very good idea of your average in a class at any time. It is not exact, it cannot account for class participation or a particular teacher's grading method, but it has been remarkably accurate over many years, many schools, and many students. Students also say it is fun to see how close Alta Ipsum's number gets to the average calculated in teachers' web-based grading programs. But the purpose of the current average is not to give you an exact number. That's what the teacher's grading program is for. The purpose is to give you, the student, a good idea of how you are doing so you can study more effectively. The recommended grade gives you a good sense of what you need to get on any given assignment to stay on track towards your long-term goal. Super motivating when it comes time to study. So every time you receive a grade on an assignment, enter it in Alta Ipsum. Also take a few minutes to review the assignment and reflect on what you did well and what you could do better, both on the quiz or test or essay itself, and on the process you used to study. Then add some notes after you enter the grade. Finally, take pictures of your assignments to store them in the cloud. Always store your papers in a binder or file box for future reference, of course, but keeping digital copies in Alta Ipsum makes it easy to access them when you're getting ready to study for a big test or exam. Using the tracker, you can look back on your grades, quickly see where you had trouble during the term, and make sure that you understand what you missed the first time. I got an 85 on this history test, and the teacher said I organized my answers very well. But she also said I need to provide more supporting evidence in my long answer questions, and I noticed that I missed a couple of tricky multiple choice questions because I didn't know some details well enough. Since this grade is only 2 points from my goal of a B+ in the class, I know I can close that gap, so I'll be sure to add more details to my study guide before the next test. I also feel good because I know I still have a B+ average in the class. No need to panic, I just need to study better next time, and now I know what I need to do. Active engagement is key to understanding your strengths and weaknesses so you can do your best and achieve your goals. By entering grades and taking notes after reflecting on your work, your brain is learning how it learns, so you can make adjustments and keep improving.